Hey guys, this is Logan at Hankster's Hot Rods. Today we have a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. It's a two-door. Come to the front, you'll see we have halo LED front headlights. We have a red rock Stubby front bumper with a 9,000 pound capacity Smittybuilt XRC winch with a synthetic rope. It comes with two 4-ton shackles. This thing's sitting on Pro Comp 17x9 steel wheels. And those are riding on 275 70R Patagonia MT tires. This thing has a 20% tint on the windshield, on the brow, and a matching tint on both doors. This thing is very well taken care of. This thing comes with a remote start, black cloth heated seats, rugged ridge grab handles, a locking center console, cruise control with the controls on the steering wheel, power mirrors, and a magnetic phone mount on the dash with WeatherTech floor mounts. As the factory hardtop, it's in very good condition. No cracks in the glass, no leaks. We have the aftermarket locking fuel cap, paint matched fender flares all the way around. Back here we have the Fishbone off-road rear bumper delete, also with two 4-ton shackles, LED tail lights, Jeep floor mat in the back with the subwoofer. This bumper also comes with a hitch receiver, and it has the barricade spare tire delete. This is where your license plate would mount. As every car we have comes with a Carfax, this one has a minor accident in the rear, but if you can see here, it still has the factory spot weld and pinch welds. So the accident had to have occurred to the rear bumper itself, no body or frame damage. As always, this side of the hardtop is in perfect condition. No cracks in the glass, no leaks anywhere. Go ahead and open up this side for you. Previous owner took very good care of the interior of this thing. Got an aftermarket shorty antenna. Go ahead and open the hood for you guys to get this thing started. This Jeep does come with the hood that you have to unlock and lock every time you open it. Previous owner claimed this thing was never off-roaded, and it definitely looks like it, even with 111,000 miles. Go ahead and start it up for you guys.